Massacre, Kartel, Chronic Law. Who took it? are on the road to get the popular picks for Recording Artist of the Year.
Pull up our roof.
Bargain not done. All right, we're not afraid of camera.
Wednesday, empty barrel attack. How will them say?
One boy named Massacre, man. Why? Yeah, man. Give Massacre a run, we can go along with it, man. Massacre, phone case and charger.
Hey. The man, consistency, persistent. Him tough, man. He give him it.
Other artists out there, and the new young artists, them come up, them body now. But Massacre, I push out hits.
I love them.
A Devon Linton and a Christmas I come around and me in a town and eat some items through. Them a talk about the hottest artist. But me no busy with no man or no one. Me a talk about my brother and me and him grow together. Vybz Kartel, Hardy Banton. And that's the thing there.
Prison did that, but out and road the heat worse.
Only one man is still lyrical like the youth. Right now. Yeah, and a law boss. Nobody else lyrical like the youth.
Remember we born for badness, and that's no we grow up and chose.
I'm a Souls fan, but I don't know if it's Kartel. I think it's Kartel.
Well, weary and tricky still in a car. Every Jamaican artist a push still in a but he's a data fan still, so I can't go crocodile way still in a. You see me? And you know, say, why? Law boss in a therapy, you know. And differently, you know, young artists a craft for doing things, you see me, a rap bat said, you know.
Man, I hold up a name I call, man. You must have one hot artist today.
Why? Alkaline.
Kartel, God.
What's so special about Vybz Kartel?
I'm telling you, this man get 13 and the man is the number one. And the Christmas man take over.
One word boss, if him say something, I go sell off. Don't him say Clarks, him say Nike, Jordan, and there's New Balance left. New Balance, everything sell off. You don't know what the bird boss that.
So you don't know now left for Massacre still, you know. Kartel and Massacre, you hear that?
Who bad like Kartel? All you hear them are go on. Why did the man come from prison with body gone and break? Check the real story.
The dog they are prison for around 12 years, 12 to 13 years, the dog come back and run dancehall lot.
All in a prison, me I make millions.
I don't know, I don't really know, you know, but none of them are too outstanding to me for really separate them from each other, so couldn't call a name still.
Skipper. Him just sing about chopping, lifestyle and them thing there.
A big Benz man wanna work no crane.
Alright, you see Kartel now, him just see wave where him they have when him there in a jail and then come out back now and catch back that now. You see me, Nigeria them now, them youth they come out in the young school. You see me and some other one, Roger Wild and them look at you. They look at you, them do it for that year, man. No joke, my G, you hear that?
Vybz Kartel and my artist straight in my fam. Me I tell you, I'm Massacre. More time I just see them get out of control and mess up and get out of line. But Vybz Kartel, man, because them man they lyrically body, no brother.
But guess what go on now? One law. Even Kartel himself tell you. I lie to lock down the place, man. You don't know Massacre they behind that, see me. Only for you to do the thing, but a Kartel a lead.
Right now, the song them I'm dropping, you know. Some bad song right now I'm dropping, see it. But you know, unruly, I say, see him, we never stop.
Everything I go alright.
Maybe Romain Virgo.
I've been there before.
His music is nice. He sings conscious songs.
We bring the fire more degree than Dr. Bartigan.
Well, without no doubt or no argument behind that, you know, a Vybz Kartel, you know. Start well, from way back in myself, you know the Shreps.
What's so special about Vybz Kartel?
Well, I'm lyrically inclined, so we can't go around that. I will just bring more joy and surround that.
Me is a straight law boss in about here, where them man them listen straight. Massacre, Chronic Law, Kartel, Skilly Bang.
Yeah, man. Hot.
And what thing me ask Kartel for do, for help the poor people in the ghetto. And the people in the hospital I want help, I want bed for sleep and want sleep at floor. If he bust the people and help them and not just all about him money and hunger for himself. But if you remember, so when you went to jail, people show out for him, so if you show out for the people.
When I'm in there jail, who you say was the artist? And him still come out, who are the artist? How?
My name a Talon, split hot so hot. Forget a bit in your city, that's a couple milli.
What was the hottest song for 2024?
No comment, man. Controversial song. Every other artist have a job what? 10 song, go around 1 song.
Prison do that, but I road the eat verse. I don't know the name.
I mean, that's a trophies, massacre, trophies.
Find my way. One day I'ma look at these trophies, tell my kids my stories. One day I'ma write my name across the world. Please don't worry.
Reminder. Skip a reminder.
Can you give me a line?
Daddy badness again. One night.
Not even see it and evil like me.
Wow. All right, I tell you, White Rum, Vybz Kartel. Comment is coming. Massacre new song bad to me, nah lie. So, but right now, White Rum a lead. Yeah, man. Mix the Red Bull with the White Rum. Bad.
Rum behavior, man. The whole of the woman them take it, gone with it, last it, and the dog them love it. Papa, pizza, pillar, panna. I don't get the record, I can't cuss on the camera though.
Well, the latest song for the year are Bounty Killer, Dexter Daps and Baby Sham. The big song that for the year. All ladies whine when them hear that.
You can give me a line?
Baby.
Rough patch, Armani. Baby, you are my rough patch. Me nah leave. You are my comfort. I man, hear that? That was the part.
The same White Rum for the year that I chose for the year. Subscript on the Human show.
Oh, Christmas are treated so far.
I say money in a pocket, man, and girl ever around me, man. Just looking at my boss now, man.
Special, yeah.
Ever happy.
One artist me a say another massacre, straight.
Give me a line.
Oh, no mix and mingle, but me I put it to them girl, I eat me like Pringle.
You don't know me, I tell you. The song will make the people them a dance.
Will you be going to Freedom Street? How you feel about the price?
Well, I don't think I'll be going to Freedom Street, because the price is a bit hefty.
Price too high, man. Price enough for regular people. Enough people have to go save and make sacrifice for go, so I just who can afford it, I won't be going.
Yeah, man, the price all right too, Because you have poor people price and you have rich people price. I work with poor people price. That's what my pocket can reach.
I have to do that. Put my head top anyway. I have to reach in.
I am a Christian, so no, I don't indulge in those things.
I pay a lot on the show in my real boss. The show go bad still. My dead still, but without no ticket. You see it? Because Kartel I'm a virgin.
24,000 and nothing. We are hustler. In big way up. So we have to do it. All hustler, roll out, Gaza, street.
Yeah, man, we have to do the whole arcade there, man. But what him come give we a look at arcade, I know him not come arcade. When him say Clark's arcade, I need him arcade, we are call for him.